Welcome to the channel. Welcome to, well, my very messy workshop. I thought I'd do a bit of a change in video and do an update on projects that I'm currently looking at. Um, some of them have sort of backed up quite a bit because of the weather. If you live in the UK, you know it's pretty much not stopped raining since Christmas. We had a brief bit of sun, um, but no more than one day at a time. And currently it's down almost like we are back in the start of spring again. That's delayed a few, delayed some work on some of the vehicles, particularly the dune buggy, which I'll go through what I've got for that in a minute, which I was hoping to have a video out for. In addition, the camper van is currently for bodywork. It's due back on Tuesday, which has been a bit of a delay, but I've got parts ready for that to be fitted. So I thought I'd just run through, whenever I walk through the workshop, you can see the state of the place, and I'll just highlight and point out some projects that I'm basically where we are with them. Nice bit of a change up in video, but let me know if you enjoyed it. If not, if you do, I might do this more regularly, say once every 3 or 4 months, to let you know where I am with things. So let's start in the mucky end of the shed, which you saw I tidied up recently, and we'll work through. So yeah. As I said, we start at the mucky end of the shed. You might remember a while ago I cleaned all this up and we had a floor and we found my trolley jack and everything. What's currently in here at the moment is everything from the camper van. So we've got the tables, both of them, the awning, the carpet, stuff out the cupboards, gas bottle, emergency recovery kit for breakdowns, all sorts is in here. The awnings, everything's sat in here. This is not all of it. In addition, you can also see at the back there, I've got my chainsaw longbow, which has moved from over here to over there. I do have the clutch and the dynamo to fit to this. This will get going this year. I promise you on that one, it will get going. So that's this. So the van's due back after a load of bodywork on Tuesday. So hopefully a lot of this will disappear next weekend. Moving through. So we've got, you can see still stuff from the camper van. We've got the main drawer, which is easy to take out because they were having to move. I'll go through it in more detail. They're doing a lot of welding and they need to take all the cupboards out of it. So the fridge is out as well. Leisure batteries out of it. I've still got a trestle table to build. That's from the Scirocco. That's the crap box that used to be in the boot. That needs sorting through. What else have we got here? My other half is petted up with some saws to go under the carport. I've still not put them up yet, so that needs sorting. Moving up, nice brown box. What's in this? This is for the dune buggy. So I was supposed to bring the dune buggy back a couple of weeks ago. We were supposed to have 2 clear days of dry weather, and that didn't happen. So what's to do with that one? So when it comes back, that's a new carburetor for it. It's a Chinese knockoff, but I'm hoping it stops the problem of it bogging down. We've also got a footrest to go in it because the passenger side, you push up your feet, you basically onto all of the fuse boxes, which isn't great. So that needs fitting. In addition to that, it needs some welding as well. Moving along, we had an accident. My Ed 209 Lego figures fell apart, so that needs fixing. Flipping over. Christmas presents I got. These need building. I'm looking forward to that one, and that one actually fires elastic bands, so I need to put aside a few hours to build these. This, which is my Ferrex tool system holder, needs a little bit of work. I've just got the jigsaw. I just need to reconfigure this. I'm thinking about maybe mounting one of them on the side here. Okay, moving along. TV, Sony Trinitron. This is one of the ones with I have outlined our dyno, which came in here when we're tidying up. Having a problem with this, I've tried to fix it. It needs going back up into the loft. It keeps overpowering and then it shuts itself off. When the power discharges, it fires back up again. So, not sure what else to do about that. PS3, I've had that for over a year. Needs stripping down and looking at to try and get rid of the blue light of death. I got it off a mate for nothing and to see if I can fix it. But again, another project I need to look at. Moving around. This big thing, this and this are for the camper van. They're the new decals for the side, because it's in for paint. One side being removed. New front, what do you call it, bonnet protector strip. The one I've got had delaminated, so I bought a new one. This one was a cheaper one, but it doesn't seem to be laminated plastic, like it's got a cover, a surface texture on it. This might last that a little bit more. Let's have a look up here. What have we got up here? I still need to review this Barcode Battler game and get this working. I've had it about a year. It's still not even removed from its delivery packaging. Got a Gundam to build. I've got this little camper van project to build. I might do this tomorrow. That's a Star Wars droid security bolt to build. Lego kit to build. These are for the Scirocco. So I've got a a graphic equalizer. This is fits the stereo. I've got a new cup holder because what's in there at the moment, these two will take over that space. What else have we got in here? Lego, a model kit for a Scirocco. That needs doing. In here, oops. I've got an Orville pistol which I started doing a while ago, and needs finishing. It's stuck with the paint. It needs it's stuck on there. Needs refilling and finishing on that. I bought some paints. You might have, if you're on the Facebook page, you'll know I recently last year, I bought the new version of Hero Quest, and I bought a lot of speed paints to paint them up. They've not been opened yet, but I bought this as a test model for testing the speed paints and things like that. This is as far as it ever got. It got painted black, ready for dry brushing, and that's as far as it went. So need to look at that as well. What else have we got in here? Oh yeah, the elephant in the room. My Space Marine, my Aliens pulse rifle. Been sat there for about 3 years. Really do need to fix that and get it painted. Yeah, quite a few projects on the go at the moment, and this isn't. I don't think this is everything. I've always got something to think about. The Scirocco, I'm going to do a new boot build for that, including the stereo, the graphic equalizer being fitted. I'm going to do a better boot build with a partial shelf that can be split into two, so I can take part of the shelf out and then have the amp on show as well as the 6x9 speakers. That needs doing. And that's just the workshop in here. Add to that, I've been asked to make a TARDIS cat tree for the living room. So that's another project that's going to be going on in a few weeks' time. So yeah, lots on. But until the workshop gets tidied up, and that mainly means the van being back, so I can empty everything out of here. I can't really stop. Oh, one other thing I need to do is the carport. I'm paneling the side of it to try and give it some more weather protection. That eventually will be turned into a garage. So I need to order the panels to the side, get them all painted, get them fitted. I'm not sure how I'm doing that yet because it's going to be quite a tight fit, and order some doors for the front, which will then allow the carport, when it's turned into a garage, to be further expanded with shelving for more storage. So yeah, I've just noticed some other projects up here. Hold on a second. Another project to go up is a snow speeder kit that needs building. I've got a Sharp Walkman, which I got ages ago. Oops. In box, which is quite a nice one. Just I need to change these belts on. Head gasket kit for the Scirocco, because I need to paint the rocker cover and the radiator grill. They need doing as well, because I want to try and get it in for a show and shine. And I need to get the engine bay looking nice, so that needs doing relatively urgent. Again, the weather's not helped with that either. Other things that I need to look at is sort of a quick switch around. I'll show you. My stereo. I've had this since I was a kid. It stopped working on the left-hand channel, so I need to take this apart. And whilst it's apart, I'll give it a damn good clean again, because it was refurbed about 4 years ago. And I'm really disappointed that this isn't working properly. So yeah, a bit disappointing really. Yeah, quite a few projects on the go. A lot of them, like I say, the Dune buggy, and painting the parts for the Scirocco, are weather dependent ideally, because I don't like painting in here. But in addition to that, I can't paint in here anyway because it's full of stuff for the camper van. So hopefully there'll be a video on the camper van next weekend. That's the plan, because I should get back on Tuesday and I'll refit it, and I need to put. You'll see. I'll go through what's been done to it, and hopefully the weekend after that I can get the dune buggy back over it, and get the work done on that, and then we can start tidying this up and getting rid of stuff. But yeah, I thought a quick video of like a 6 month into the year update on projects and where we are and the state of the workshop. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. If there's anything you saw and you want more information on, just do us a message down in the comments below. If you're working on something similar, again, let us know. Always like seeing what other people are working on. And we'll call it quits there. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers.